Morning team, I smash. We're out here in Pochi. Woo! I'm on wait, shit, light it up. I'm on way to Kingston right now. Do nothing but business. Yeah, my mother commute, travel, whatever you call it. And yeah, I pick up my water. Alright. This is showing my room temperature water. Room temperature. Okay, I got him. Oh, this is water. This is spring water. Spring water. Oh, damn, spring water. I'm sitting on a good life. Blue Mountain spring water. I got you on. I got you on. Richer. Okay. Alright. Good day. Where is it? Got it. Alright. But, morning team, oh, see, it's the car that I always want. I always want a Lexus IS 250, like I'm a dream car. But I want the F-Type, which is a sport type. Yo, sick. So, yeah, St. Catherine, here I come. Hey.
Where money there?
I don't know money. Thank you very much. Okay. Hey. Hello again, team I Smash. When I take the toll, I usually drive on the toll, not showing you guys, not coming out the vehicle, showing you guys exactly how the toll look from a, you know, standing point of view. This is it. Yeah, and it gets much more beautiful from here on. But I doubt I'm going to come out again. That was fun.
A few moments later.
I stumbled up on a police.
Obviously, I can't talk to the man here.
That he's not a nice cop, so I'm getting a ticket, my first ticket. Do I deserve it? Well, that's how it is.
So tell me something, you're this drink, you're that youngster or what?
No, I'm a vlogger. So
What you say?
I'm a vlogger.
What do you mean vlog? What do you mean by that?
Video blog.
So what you doing that?
Vlogging my vlog my entire trip.
So that we that can so what TV man?
No, not TV.
No, look at
Work? No man, you can be arrested.
No, what I say? So what we doing now? It is illegal. So we are scanning and rain.
No, it's a day in the life, every day alive. So everything that happens, like a video blog.
What the world come to now?
Repeat please.
What I say, what the world come to now?
What time you welcome to when you...
So we don't know. But you know, when him come out now, listen now. You know why this young man go that when him come out now and I behave that way now.
Behave how?
You know, so the man be there with it. If him have take video and a while,
No, I can't. No, I can't show you the footage I take from up there. You know, I can't show you them.
No, have nothing to do with it.
No, it's not. The policeman already took it long time.
Camera on, come on to something, you know. Camera on?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So, how you see the police on the road?
Repeat, please.
How you see the police?
How I saw the police.
On a whole, how you see
my views on police?
Yeah.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown. And not the other color, so police think they have the authority to kill a minority. Fuck that shit cause I ain't the one for a punk motherfucker with a badge and a gun to be beaten on and thrown in jail. We can go toe to toe in the middle of a sale. Fucking with me cause I'm a teenager with a little bit of gold and a pay.
It's okay.
You sure?
Yes, that's utmost respect for authority.
Him never problem with you, know. And me have a problem.
Yo, man, I shake up the morning star. Shake up the morning. So, Team I Smash. The day has started as bad as possible, as bad as it can be. It cannot get any worse than how it is right now. My first ticket, let me show you guys. Show you the back part. Speeding ticket. Exceed the speed limit by 20 miles per hour. Like, it was a, I don't know, early morning, around 6 a.m. cruising down the toll road. You know the toll road, free, not a traffic. So just cruising. Police pull me over. Say I'm speeding. Couldn't even give me a blind. Tell me say I'm a safe driver. I thought no records of anything. You know? But, you know, these things usually happen to the good people. 180. So I exceeded by 20. But, you know, Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter. Louder, leaving tropical mall. I have to send cat to know.
Now where do you go now?
Hola. Jesus. You know when that Mr. Taller. Oh, going again.
Where you want to say now? Say the highway taller me. I'm down your son.
Basketball.
Yeah, basketball. Alright.
Oh, God.
Which side they appeal for?
Cavaliers, that's the name.
No, you play for side. I don't know what it did.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
You make me feel so sharp. Why do you make me feel so sharp?
iPhone 6.
Oh, the rescue me there drive me now. I don't think so.
I don't leave you. Can I apart from overseas? It's me in real life.
You can remember your face.
Is I can forget me?
You can remember my face? Yes, sir.
It's everybody miss it on the
Yes, sir. I like that.
You miss me, sir? You miss me? You don't miss me? Ugly. Yes, you remember a vlog? You remember it? You remember it? Hey! See my Smash! What's up? Do you want to say something from a vlog?
No, my hair needs to be done. My food is bye-bye. I'll say something when I'm
Alright, we're not going to show your face to that. We're saying say something in Spanish. Say in Chinese today. In Chinese. Come. Oh.
previously.
Say it again, never hear.
What's up? Yeah, them greet one way.
Come on, alright, just give one sentence. Just give us something.
Ni shabendan, ni jinda shabendan, ni say mawa, be mawa. Okay.
That's it?
I just dissed you.
Translate that.
You're an idiot. You're an idiot. You're annoying me. Stop annoying me.
Really, I just said no, translate.
No, seriously, that's what I said.
Alright, finish off on this again.
I don't make tell you. You have to tell me what to say, and you tell people what to say. They don't say that. You tell.
Alright. Ready again. Coming out light, I need to see you.
Brethren, you're ugly.
Talk.
Dasha Nisha Ming Shing. Jisho Haha Gangzua. Jisho. But your children G-shoot.
You have to translate
Why should I?
Because they need to understand.
Okay, Deshan, you are a star. Continue doing what you're doing. You're doing good work. Continue.
Team I Smash.
I Smash Zoo.
I Smash Zoo.
Yes, said the team on the back.
Team I Smash. I Smash Zoo.
Yeah, you said the team got on the back.
I Smash Zoo. I Smash Zoo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Save it. Bye-bye. Asa. Bye-bye.
Can I be your babe? Can I be your baby?
Say she no shy, she with the whole crew. Louis V in your closet everywhere, your new shoes. She no regular, she roll with the ooze. Who things say you get a rush, she be not choose you.